How to send Shopify Collaborator request 2024. So if you want to quickly learn on how you can send a collaborator request on Shopify, here's what you're going to do. So we're going to go into settings. And once we go into settings, what we're going to want to do from here is we're going to come to users and permissions. And once you go to users and permissions, over here, we're just going to wait for things to load up. Once you're here, you're going to come down to collaborators. You're going to choose this, and here it's going to give you anyone can send a collaborator request, or only people with a request code can send a collaborator request. So I would suggest to keep it at this. And once that is done, you're going to get this code. And if anyone wants to collaborate with you, you're going to send them this code. And to this email, you're going to get collaboration requests, and it's up to you if you want to agree to it. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. You can switch it to this. This way, obviously, anyone will be able to request a collaborative setting, but I'd say this is safer. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.